Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Honor 70, and now I can show you how to make this device faster. Okay, first let's start with the question of why your phone is slowing down. Basically, it's because your device can't handle the load you have put on it. This is either because the phone is not powerful enough to do what you want it to do, or because you are not taking a good care of it. So, if you want to keep fit your device always, you need to keep your system in good condition. And now I will show you how to do it. Okay, the first aspect that can slow down your device is the memory. Memory is a limited resource. The winner is the one who invests in the device in more built-in memory, and the whole point is the device with full built-in memory begins to slow down. It's always a good idea not to fill the built-in storage more than 70% full. So the first step to speed up your device is to free up memory of your device. In order to free up space in your internal memory, you can remove unused apps. To do it, you need to open settings, click apps, then click apps, and here you will see all your applications with the size this application consumes. For example, Angry Birds consumes 400 megabytes. I want to uninstall it, click uninstall, and great. Angry Birds was successfully uninstalled from my device. And okay, great. But this is only one way to free up your memory. Of course, you can. Of course, you have photos and videos on your device, and it consumes really more space on your device. So, if you want to release space on your phone, you can remove your photos or videos. You can move it to your laptop, for example, or hard drive, but you can use cloud storage to move your photos and videos to the cloud. So in this way, your photos and videos will always available to watch, to see, and it always will be in your device, on your device when you have internet connection. But of course, you need to pay for cloud storages. Of course, you can use only free versions of cloud storages like me. So, for example, Google Storage, Google Photos application gives you 15 gigabytes for free. Mega Drive gives you 50 gigabytes for free. I don't know, Huawei Cloud gives you 5 gigabytes for free. And what we have? We have Outlook, Microsoft OneDrive. Microsoft OneDrive Cloud gives you 10 gigabytes for free. So you can create 5 Google accounts to have 5 and 15 gigabytes for free. So you can use Google Photos. So if you want to back up your photos and videos to cloud, just click open Google Photos application. It's pre-installed on your device, and just click turn on backup. Click next, done, and here you will see all your photos and videos you have taken. And here you will see, as you can see, I have backup complete. And then just click free up, and it will remove photos and videos backup to the cloud storage from your device, but it will always available on your Google Photos. Okay, and here you can fastly switch between Google accounts. Great. The second aspect that can negatively affect the speed of your device is the lack of RAM. All the processes the processor is running at the moment are running in RAM. All the applications that are running at the moment are also running in RAM, so here again the winner is the one who bought the device with more temporary storage. So the RAM can be freed by unloading the running applications. So to do it, just click on square button if you are using navigation buttons, and make this just to open running apps if you're using gestures. And here just swipe up from on applications to disable it, to unload from the RAM, or click on trash button, and as you can see I have freed 100 megabytes from my RAM. And of course, the third aspect that slows down your device is the files that are left over from running apps. Applications in the Android operating system litter, leaving behind a lot of junk unnecessary files that are not noticeable to the average user of the device. In order to clean these files, you will need a special program which will detect these files. I advise you use built-in application. On your own device, you have Create Toolkit System Manager. So open it, and here you will have Cleanup. Here you will have junk files. If you're using your device so long, you will have many junk files here, and just click Cleanup. Here you can see your unused applications, and you can clean up unused applications too. You can see your large files, which files are large you have. So here you will see the list of all large files. If you will notice that this file is unused and useful, you can remove it using this application. And that's it. I hope I was able to help you with this video. If you did that, please like this video and subscribe to the other channel. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.